In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a powerful typing effect that does not require the use of keyframes or masking text. So follow me. Right click, insert video track, right click, insert generated media, select Sony Pro Type Titler, click OK, double click, hit the backspace button and type something. So just type anything in there, just to give you an idea of what's going on here. Now, change the font. There's tons of fonts to choose from, but we're going to go select Times New Roman. You can change the size. You can change the color. There's lots of customizations you can do, but this is fine. Then we have to exit out of this to get to the animation screen. So you can click up here or hit the escape key. So I'll hit the escape key. Now let's center this. The preview window is centered now. It's good. Now you see we have new tabs here. Click on the Layout tab. Go to Selection. There's a squiggly line here. Toggle Animation. Click it. Fade Selection. Make sure that's unchecked. You want that unchecked. Otherwise, instead of your individual letters popping in fast, they will fade in slowly. So you don't want that. So go back to Selection now. Grab the slider. Slide it all the way to the left. At the bottom here, put your cursor at the bottom. Click at the bottom. Go back to the slider. And drag it all the way to the right. Let's play this back. And you can see all the work down here is done for you. It's all automated. So let's exit out of this. And let's insert a text effect. Or a sound effect. Typewriter. I bought this sound effect from Pond 5. Drag the track below. Play it. So it gives you just an overview of how this Pro Titler works. It actually works very, very well. It creates a realistic typing effect. It's much more easier to use than keyframes or masking. So if this video helped you and you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.